Have you ever imagined a luxury apartment that can drive through snow-covered mountains, cross rocky off-road trails, and let you wake up to breathtaking views every morning? Well, Toyota may have just created something that looks straight out of the future. Today, we're exploring the all-new 2027 Toyota Luxury Nomad, a futuristic luxury camper motorhome that combines extreme adventure, cutting-edge technology, and five-star comfort in one incredible package. From its massive, aggressive grille and giant off-road tires to its solar-powered roof, luxury king-size bedroom, premium shower, smart living room, and apartment-style interior, this camper is designed for people who want unlimited freedom without sacrificing luxury. Stay with us until the end because we'll cover its design, engine performance, luxury interior, off-road capabilities, advanced technology, and expected price. Welcome back to Global Auto Discover, your home for the world's most futuristic campers, luxury motorhomes, and next-generation adventure vehicles. This camper looks more like an armored expedition vehicle than a traditional RV. Up front, a massive Toyota grille dominates the design, surrounded by futuristic LED matrix headlights, integrated light bars, aggressive bumpers, and heavy-duty recovery hooks. Every angle of this camper has been designed to look powerful, modern, and ready for any challenge. The new desert sand and black dual-tone exterior gives the camper a premium expedition look. Large panoramic side windows, illuminated side steps, rugged wheel arches, and sleek body lines create a perfect balance between luxury and adventure. Whether parked outside a luxury resort or deep in the wilderness, the Luxury Nomad looks equally at home. Moving to the roof, you'll find one of its most impressive features: a large integrated solar panel system. Covering a significant portion of the roof, these high-efficiency solar panels continuously generate electricity to power lighting, appliances, entertainment systems, climate, and onboard electronics. This allows travelers to enjoy extended off-grid adventures without relying heavily on external power sources. The roof also provides additional storage solutions and viewing areas for enjoying beautiful landscapes. Imagine parking beside a mountain lake, climbing to the rooftop observation deck, and watching the sunrise with panoramic views all around. That's the type of experience this camper is built to deliver. Now let's talk about the wheels and off-road capabilities. The Toyota Luxury Nomad rides on enormous all-terrain adventure tires specifically engineered for snow, mud, sand, gravel, and rocky trails. These oversized tires not only enhance the camper's aggressive appearance, but also provide exceptional traction in difficult conditions. Supporting those tires is an advanced heavy-duty suspension system designed to absorb rough terrain while maintaining passenger comfort. The intelligent 4x4 drivetrain continuously monitors road conditions and distributes power where it's needed most. Whether you're climbing steep mountain roads, crossing desert landscapes, or navigating icy winter highways, the Luxury Nomad is built to handle the power. Comes from a high-output twin-turbo V8 diesel engine producing approximately 500 horsepower and massive torque figures. This powerful engine is paired with a sophisticated automatic transmission that delivers smooth acceleration and confident towing capability. Despite its size, the Luxury Nomad offers impressive performance both on highways and off-road routes. Toyota's advanced terrain management system allows drivers to select specific driving modes for snow, sand, mud, rocks, and normal road conditions. This ensures maximum stability and confidence regardless of the environment. Step inside and you'll quickly realize this is not an ordinary camper. The interior feels like a luxury apartment. Premium leather seating, soft touch materials, ambient lighting, and elegant design elements create an atmosphere of sophistication and comfort. The driver's area features a fully digital cockpit with large high-resolution displays, advanced navigation, wireless smartphone connectivity, voice controls, premium audio systems, and comprehensive driver assistance technology. Heated and ventilated seats ensure comfort in every climate. Behind the cockpit lies a spacious living room designed for relaxation and entertainment. Plush lounge seating surrounds a large smart television, creating the perfect environment for movie nights after a long day of adventure. The panoramic windows flood the cabin with natural light while providing incredible views of forests, mountains, deserts, and snowy landscapes. At the center of the living area is a beautifully designed dining table where family and friends can gather for meals, games, or conversations. The layout has been carefully designed to maximize space while maintaining a luxurious atmosphere. The kitchen is equipped with everything needed for extended travel. It features an induction cooktop, microwave oven, full-size refrigerator, sink, premium countertops, storage cabinets, and modern appliances. Whether preparing breakfast before a hike or cooking a gourmet dinner under the stars, this kitchen makes life on the road effortless. Moving into the bathroom, you'll find a surprisingly luxurious setup. The spacious shower features rainfall-style functionality, elegant fixtures, hot water systems, and premium materials throughout. Combined with a modern toilet and stylish vanity area, the bathroom feels more like a luxury hotel suite than a camper facility. Above the main living area is the stunning king-size master bedroom. This elevated sleeping space offers exceptional comfort with premium bedding, soft lighting, climate control, storage compartments, and beautiful panoramic views. Waking up here means enjoying incredible scenery right from your bed. Additional sleeping accommodations provide space for family members or guests, making the Luxury Nomad suitable for extended adventures with multiple travelers. Storage is another major strength. Large interior compartments, hidden storage solutions, and exterior cargo bays allow travelers to carry everything from clothing and food supplies to camping equipment and outdoor adventure gear. Winter performance is where the Toyota Luxury Nomad truly shines. Advanced insulation systems, heated water lines, powerful climate control, all-terrain, and intelligent traction management allow this camper to tackle snow-covered roads with confidence. Whether exploring alpine villages or remote mountain destinations, it remains comfortable and capable even in harsh weather conditions. Safety has also received significant attention. Features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, emergency braking systems, traction stability management, multiple airbags, and a 360 camera system designed to make driving such a large vehicle easier and safer. When it comes to pricing, industry expectations suggest that the 2027 Toyota Luxury Nomad could start around $450,000 and reach over $650,000 for fully loaded luxury expedition models. The 2027 Toyota Luxury Nomad isn't simply a camper. It's a luxury apartment, a mobile adventure headquarters, a snow road explorer, and a futuristic home designed for people who want to travel without limits. Combining rugged capability, premium comfort, advanced technology, solar-powered independence, and breathtaking design, this incredible motorhome represents the future of luxury exploration. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with the latest car reviews. See you in the next video.